Now number 6. The mass of 60 potatoes are measured. The table shows the result. Mass, frequency. First group 10. Second group repeated 30 times. The third group 20 times. How to find the mean for this table, for frequency table? To find the mean, you must find the center of each group. The first group starts from 10 to 20. To find the center, 10 plus 20 divided by 2, you get 25. You get 15. 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2, you get 15. So it's center for the first one, for the first group, 15. For the second one, 20 plus 40 divided by 2, you get 30. For the third one, from 40 to 50, so 45. After you find the center for each group, how to find the mean? The mean is sum divided number. So, how to find the sum? The first group is center 15 and repeated 10 times. So, 15 times 10. The same for the second group. Center 30 and repeated 30 times, so 30 times 30. The third group is center 45, so 45 times 20. Then you find the sum divided by number. You have 60, so then divide by 60, then get the answer. Answer 32.5. Now how to draw histogram for this table. You have 3 groups and you need to draw a histogram for them. You must find the frequency density. Frequency density is the height of each rectangle. In first group, you must find the class width. The frequency density equal the frequency density stand by FD equal the frequency divide the class width. How to find the class width? The class width is the upper value minus the lower value. For the first one, if you need to find the class width, for the first one, 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10. So the class width is 10 for this group. For the second group, 40 minus 20 equal 20. So the class width is 20. For the third group, 50 minus 40 equal 10. So the class width is 10. So the class width, a range of each group, the upper minus the lower. After you find the class width, you can find the frequency density for each one. Now the frequency density. The frequency density for the first group, 10 divided by 10 equal 1. So equal 1. So the height of the first rectangle equal 1. For the second group, frequency divided class width, 30 divided 20 equal 1.5. So 1.5. For the last group, the frequency density equal the frequency divided class width, 20 divided by 10 equal 2. So this means 2. Now we have the frequency density and we have a set or interval itself. The first group from 10 to 20. The first group from 10 to 20. So this is the first group from 10 to 20. The height 1 because the frequency density 1. The second group from 20 to 40 and the height 1.5. From 20 to 40 and the height 1.5. Let me draw. This is the second group from 20 to 40 and the height 1.5. The last group الheight 2 and from 40 to 50, from 40 to 50 and الheight 2. This is the last group from 40 to 50 and الheight 2. So in histogram you must find frequency density. The frequency density equal frequency over class weights. The class weights equal the upper value minus the lower value for the group. The second one, we have a table and we need to find the mean. 200 students were asked how many hours they exercise each week, and this is the table. How to find the mean? By the same way, find the center for each group. For the first group, the center 5 plus 0 divided by 2, which is 2.5. 2.5. For the second group, 5 plus 10 divided by 2, 7.5. For the next one, 12.5 by the same way. For next, 15 plus 20 divided by 2, so 17.5. Next, 22.5. Next, 27.5. Next, 32.5. Last, 37.5. After you find the center for each group, you can find the mean. The mean equals sum over number. The first group is 2.5 repeated 12 times, so 2.5 times 12. Second group, 7.5 times 15. Third, 12.5 times 23. Then 17.5 times 30. Then 22.5 times 40. Then 27.5 times 35. We can extend it. Then 32.5 times 25, and last 37.5 times 20, and divide all by 200. Divide by 200, then find the mean. Equal 4,380 divide 200, 21.9. The second table, you can complete the second table from the first one. That I need t less than 30. Less than 30. So less than 30 means what? Less than 30, less than or equal 30 means 35, 40, 30, 20, 3, 15 plus 12. We must add all these frequencies. But we have less than 25, 120. 120. So just add 35 to get 155. So this number less than 30, 155. Less than 35. Less than 35 means all these numbers. Till 30 we have 155. So you must add 25. So the answer will be 180. So write in this one 180. From this table we can draw frequency histogram. Cumulative frequency histogram. This is our graph. In this graph we can draw the cumulative frequency histogram for this for the table, for the cumulative frequency table. The first point, let we see the first point, plot the points. The first point, 5 and 12, 5 and 12. So this is the first point. Let we plot the point, 5, 12, 10, 27. After you plot the points, you get this shape. Now, join the points. We join the point now. Then we can start solve equation about this curve. We join the points with the origin point. We join the point together and with the origin point. After you draw, he asked you to find lower quartile. A lower quartile, you must multiply total frequency, which is 200. Total frequency 200, multiply 1 times 1 over 4. A lower quartile, you must multiply total frequency times 1 over 4. And the upper quartile, multiply total frequency times 3 over 4. But the median, multiply a total frequency times 1 over 2. 1 over 2. So, firstly, if you multiply by 1 over 4, you get total frequency. Multiply 200 times 1 over 4 to find the order for a lower quartile. You get 50. Start from 50. Yes, this 50. Start from 50. This to find the lower quartile. Then go down. You get 15. So a lower quartile 15. How to get lower quartile? Just start from 50 and go horizontal, then drop a line. This is how to find the lower quartile. He asked you how to draw. Show how to find the lower quartile. Starting from 50 and go horizontal, then go down. Use your cumulative frequency to find the median. How to find the median? Multiply total frequency times half, you get 100. This is called the order of a median. Then, from the order of a median, go horizontal, then go down, you get a median. A median in this case approximately 22. So from this graph we can find the upper quartile. Multiply 3 over 4 times 200 equal 150. Then go horizontal, then go down. If you need to find the median, 1 over 2 times the total, you get 100. Then horizontal, down. To find the lower quartile, 1 over 4 times the total, horizontal, down. Then you can find the lower quartile and the median and the upper quartile. The lower quartile approximately 15. The upper quartile approximately 29 or 28 point. We have 10 lines between 25 and 30. So each 2 lines by 1. So you can say that 26, 27, 28, 29 or 28.75. 28.75 or 28.7. To find the interquartile, the upper minus the lower. The upper 28.7 minus the lower, which is 15, so 13.7. This is interquartile. Is 64 percentile. To find the 64 percentile, you must multiply 64% over 100 times the total. You get 128. This is order for 64 percentile. Start from 128. This is order for 64 percentile. 128. Then start from 128. Go horizontal, then go down. Approximately 26. The last one, the number of students who exercise more than 17 hours. In this case, or in this question, we start from the x-axis, not the y-axis. Start from the x-axis, start from 17, then go up till you reach the curve, then go horizontal. And if you need more than, it total minus your answer. If you need less than, take the answer directly. So start from the x-axis. This 17, 16, 17. Now this 17, start from 17 on the x-axis, then go up, then go horizontal, and find the answer. The answer about 58, approximately 58. So 58, if I need less than, I take 58 directly, but I need more than. So 200 minus 58. 200 minus 58 equal 122. Or more than, because more than. If I need less than, 58 directly. Bismillah. In this video, we will practice about statistics question in paper 4. Let me start. The first one, a normal die numbered 1 to 6 is rolled 50 times. The results are shown. L1 15 times, L2 appears 10 times, 3 7 times, L4 5 times, and so on. L5 6 times, 6 7 times. A, write the model score. المود most repeated or most common. So المودel score most repeated. Most repeated L1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6. Look for the frequency. Greatest frequency, this means المود. The greatest frequency 15. So L1 model score. L1 model score because repeated 15 times. Next, how to find the median score. Median, the middle value. How to find the middle value? You must look for the number or the total number. We have 50 values. So we have 2 in the middle. If a number even, we have 2 in the middle. How to find the order for these 2? To find the order for these 2, divide this number 50 by 2 and take the result and the next one. Yani 50 divided by 2 equal 25. 50, this is order for the median. Now we have 2 in the middle, so 50 divided by 2 equal 25. So this is the 25th, and the next one is 26th. This is the order of the 2 term in the middle. The 25th equal what, and the 26th is what? Start, we have 15, 1, and the 10, 2. So at 25th will be 2, because 15 plus 10 is 25. 15 plus 10, 25. So at 25th will be 2. The last 2. So 25th will be 2. 26, next one, the next group. 26 in this group. This group, 73. So 26 will be 3. So 26, 3. Now to find the median score, just add it 2 values, then divide by 2. You get 2.5. See, find the mean score. How to find the mean? The mean is sum over number. So you must find the sum divided in number. How to find the sum? We have fraction. L1 repeated 15 times. So to add 1 multiplied by 15 to find the all ones. To find the alls, 2 repeated to 10 times. So 2 times 10 to find the sum of 2's. The same 3 times 7 to find the sum of 3's. And 4 times 5 to find the sum of 4's. Then 5 times 6 and 6 times 7. This is sum. You must divide the sum by the number. We have 50 values, so divide by 50. And with your calculator, you get the answer. The answer 2.96. D. The die then rolled another 10 times. The mean score for 60 rolls, 2.95. Calculate the mean score for the extra 10 rolls. Remember that the mean equals sum over number, so you can deduce that sum equal mean into number by cross multiply. Sum equal mean times the number. So we can find S50 and S60. S50 equal 50 times the mean of 50. So we can find S50. And S60, we can find S60 sum of 60 values. After we add 10 times our extra 10, then you can find S60. By subtraction, you can find S10, then divide by 10, you get the means of the extra 10. This is how to solve the sum equal mean times the number. So by this rule, we can find S50, 50 times the mean, which is 2.96, you get 148. S60, the mean for 60 values, 2.95. So 60 times 2.95, you get it S60, 177. Now S10 equal 177 minus 148 equal 29. The mean of the extra 10, the mean of a 10 or extra 10 equal 29 divide 10, sum divide number, which is 2.9.